Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa if you're new. If you like Apple tech videos, lifestyle, college, everything of that sort, you can go ahead and subscribe down below. So today I have such an exciting video. I am going to be unboxing the new M1 iPad Pro. So I got the 11-inch, and not only am I going to try out the M1 iPad, but I'm going to show you a few Amazon iPad accessories that you can buy for your iPad. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to the unboxing. So I did my first unboxing last year around the same time. So I did my unboxing for the 2020 Apple iPad. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the box. It comes in the normal regular Apple box. It has these things, and we have the iPad. I am so excited. Okay, so this is how it comes. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's a little bit heavier. I don't know, but yeah, let's go ahead and do the satisfying part. This is my favorite part. It smells brand new. Oh my gosh. Okay. Are you ready? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got the color silver this time. Last time I got the color space gray. I think it's what it's called. But look at this color. Let's continue. So in the box, we have a brick to charge the iPad and the cable. This is such a good add-on. I am so happy that it came with this. Okay, put it back here. And in here you get stickers. Let's put this box aside. Okay, so satisfying part number 2. Guys, this is so cute. This is amazing. It is so thin. Here is the camera. So the day I'm filming this, it decides to rain. This is the new M1 iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch. This is how it looks. Oh my gosh. Before we set it up, I want to put a screen protector. So I am a big fan of the paper-like screen protector. So I partnered with a company named ESR, and they sent me a paper-like screen protector, which I am so excited to try. We are going to put this on the iPad, the new iPad. And after that, I'm going to talk about some Apple Pen accessories that I am obsessed. Let's go ahead and put the screen protector on. This is gonna take a while because I am not the best at this. Okay, so it comes in this card box. Let's open this. Oh, okay. Oh, it looks so cool. Okay, so you open this. It comes with 2 screen protectors. So I really love when companies send more than 1 screen protector. Yes. So it comes with 2. If you screw up, you have another one. It comes with all of these things. Okay, so I don't have a clue what these are. One thing that I am not seeing are instructions. Oh, I'm sorry. So these are the instructions.
I saw you walking in the street one day. It was Sunday. You had flowers in your hand. You were dancing with your headphones on. Didn't care then. watching you moving in the beat, cause swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were striding for them, cause you know just what you do. So if I never told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore.
Okay guys, so I did it. I put the screen protector. This is how it turned out. This is the best that I could do. It took me like 20 minutes. Okay, so I wanted to talk about some iPad accessories. So I have quite a few iPad covers, cases that were for my other iPad, but I am pretty sure all the cases fit in this iPad as well. I do want to say that the only thing that is going to be kind of different, because the cases are not for this exact model, is this part right here. The speakers on this iPad are a little bit different than the other one, and this is a case that I got. This case is from Tineeowl on Amazon, so every single case that I'm going to talk about today is from Amazon. So this is the first one. I'm going to try it on. I'm so excited. It fits so perfect. Yeah, the only thing that I need to emphasize is that right now this case is not for this is that exact model, because as you can see, these speakers are different. So I wanted to say that really quickly. This is how it looks. I am completely in love with the silver. So try on number 1, and I also have a dedicated video for these cases if you want to know more about them. So this is the other one. This is from DTTO. DTTO. This is how it looks. I love the color. So excited. Try on number 2. Let's go to try on number 3. This is the other one that I have. This is from ESR, the same company from the screen protector, and I love the screen protector. It is really good. I'm so happy that I have all of these cases. And yeah, I am so obsessed. There's one accessory that I wanted to talk about today that I'm so excited. So this company is named Uppercase. So basically I have an Apple Pencil for my iPad, and I got these 2 things right here. So the first thing is this little stand for your Apple Pencil that I think is so cool, so cute, and they are not expensive at all. So basically you can put this on your desk or anywhere you like, and you just put your Apple Pencil in it so you don't lose it. The other thing is this sleeve for the Apple Pencil. So I do have the Apple 2nd Gen, so this is how it looks like. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Every single time I wanted to do something with my iPad and used my Apple Pencil, literally every single time I didn't know where my Apple Pencil was. So this is a great add-on for your desk. Thank you for all of these companies for sending me these products. I am completely in love with them. So I'm going to set this bad boy up, transfer all of my information from my old iPad to this one, and I will see you in a bit.
I saw you walking in the street one day, it was Sunday. You had flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care then. Everyone was watching you moving in the beat, cause swerving.
Okay guys, so I just finished setting up my iPad, and I do have to say that it took a while because I had a little problem with kind of like backing up the storage from the old iPad to the new one, but it was successful. Basically, I have every single thing that I had on my old iPad on this one. But you guys, I am so excited to try this iPad out, and I am going to make so many videos with this iPad. I am going to try to make a video comparing the iPad 2020 to the 2021. If you guys want to know about that, I'm going to play around with my iPad for a few days and I will let you know. I'm going to make a how I take notes on my iPad video which I haven't done in quite a while. So I want to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It means the world to me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Saw you walking in the street one day, it was a Sunday. You had flowers in your hair and you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care that everyone was watching you were moving.